Hello again, good evening. This is Brian from Excel-widgets.com. We had a message on the forum from Gustav, who is saying, okay, I'm trying to use the pie widget. I'm unable to change the colors, slice 1, slice 2, slice 3. I'm going to copy and paste the pie chart and the configuration data and the calculation data into their respective sheets. And I try to link. I can't update the pie chart with the updated values. Can you please help me configure the pie chart? Any clear instructions would be appreciated. So, as always, it's a lot easier for me to explain, exactly how to configure these widgets using a video. It's certainly a lot clearer. So let's just very quickly, Gustav, let's just show you how to copy the pie chart widget, which is down here, which is one of the simpler widgets actually, and how to set it up in a new dashboard. So okay, so here we go. First of all, we need a new dashboard, so we go File, there we go, New, Blank Workbook, Create. We copy our widget for the with the chart on it. So I just select it by selecting the border, do Control C, go to to our new dashboard. Down here, I'm going to paste it into cell B2. We could even paste it a number of times, many times as we want. Here we go. Just move those up a little bit. Put a quick title. Okay, maybe this is Gustav's dashboard. Maybe this could be Northern region. Similarly, we could do something for a different region. Okay, let's just make that a little bit bigger. There we go, 36. Okay, so we have the widgets pasted. Now we need to paste across the configuration table and the calculations table. So first of all, let me set up the first tab that says my dashboard. The second tab that says my configuration page. The last tab that says my calculations page. If you're going to have a database that drives all these widgets, you could add another tab that says my database. Okay, the configuration page. This is the configuration information here for the pie chart widget. Just copy that across into here. You need to copy that as many times as the widgets we have. I think as I've sort of explained on a previous in a previous video, the idea of the configuration page is it's almost like a dashboard within itself. It's just a very, very simple representation of the data with all of the indicators present, and then later your dashboard with your widgets and your graphics basically feeds off this page that has all of your very simply laid out data. Okay, let's just copy that first title across. Let's remove these. Okay, that's the configuration data for the first pie chart. Of course, as I've explained, we also need the similar configuration set up for the other two pie charts. Let's just copy that as well. Okay. Just arrange these out a little bit. Okay. So the title for the first pie chart could be. I'm making this up as I go along. Okay. My goodness, Gustav's. Gustav departments. So this could be the blue department. The red department. And the green department. And the next widget could be, I really am making this up as I go along. This could be the blue department stuff, and we could have maybe the number of men, maybe the number of women. And I've got that third category. Oh my goodness. Okay, the number of aliens. Okay, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off one of these widgets. Because, two will be enough just to demonstrate the philosophy behind setting up this dashboard. Right, let's get rid of this. Delete that. Okay. So as I've said, the configuration page is like a mini dashboard, but very simple. So how many people are we going to have in the blue department? Maybe 202. In the red department, 123. In the green department, 190. And then the blue department, obviously it's got to come up to 202. Maybe we've got 100 men. We've got 56 women. And maybe we've got 202 minus 56 minus 100. Maybe we have 46 aliens. Okay, so now we need the dashboard over here to show this information that we have here. And in order to do that, we need to link it to this very important page, which is the calculations page. So let me copy across. Okie dokie. Copy across from here. This is the unlocked version of the Excel dashboard widgets spreadsheet. So let's just find the pie chart widget, which is this up-down pie chart. Let's just copy that. We're going to copy it twice. Okay, which very, very simply, does nothing more than creates a pie chart. As mad as that sounds. All of the widgets that we have here, as I've explained many times, they're simply made up of Excel objects, whether that's text boxes, whether it's different graphs, or whether it's shapes, squares and triangles and circles and things like that. For example, this new circular dial widget if I just select it here, if I go to on the ribbon, if I go on the Home tab, if I go into the last element, which is this sort of binoculars, if I look at the selection pane, let's just look at the circular dial widget. It's actually made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things. So for example, this is that white circle there, this is this light blue circle. I can actually move that light blue circle out, for example. We have the text boxes. This is the donut chart that's actually used, is positioned to show that information. So anyway, coming back very quickly to this pie chart, it literally is a pie chart, an Excel pie chart, and it's just themed just to match in with the other widgets that are a little bit more complicated. So what you could actually do, Gustav, is you could just create your own pie chart and just drag it on top. Anyway, let's just configure this one that we have. Okay, once you paste the calculations onto the calculations page, there's two instructions here. The first one says link yellow cells to the My Configuration page. Okay, so let's do that. Let's quickly link the titles, which is actually the titles for each of the slices. It's not terribly clear, but slice 1 is the blue department. I just select the cell, hit equals, go down to the data, red department, enter, select the next cell, equals, My Configuration page, green department. The values are equals, My Configuration page 202, and we have in the red, we have 123, in the green, we have 190. And this basically creates the pie chart and creates the labels, the text boxes that will go onto the widget. Okay, so we've done the blue bit. Now we need to do the yellow. We've done the yellow bit. Now we need to do the blue bit, which is to link all this to the dashboard. So first of all, okay, the title on the first one. These widgets that we've pasted across into the dashboard are still linked to the Excel dashboards widgets spreadsheet from the website. So for example, if you click the pie charts, you'll see in the series where it's getting its information from, it's actually pulling it out of another file. Actually, this file, which is the unlocked version of the spreadsheet. So what we need to do is to link it into this new spreadsheet that we're setting up. So I'm just going to go through each of the items. So the title, we want to link it onto the configuration page, is Gustav's departments. This graph, if you look what it's linking to, if we look up here, cells D30 to F130, if you look at that in the, let's just come over here. If you look at that in the unlocked version of the Excel dashboard widgets spreadsheet, it actually refers to, looking on the wrong page, these cells across here. Look, D130 to F131. It's using these cells to create the pie chart. So we need to do something similar now. We need to delete. So the first one is actually for the titles. So we need to delete everything between the commas. Go to the My Calculations page, highlight the titles, and then we need to open this box up a little bit. In between the second set of commas, we need to highlight the data, and then we press enter. And here we go. We have the blue department, the red department, the green department. I'm just going to select that box there and make it a little bit wider on the legend, just so it fits that in. It's giving me trouble, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to change the font size just slightly. Let's bring it back. Okay. So the next thing are these small text boxes underneath. Again, the text box is linked to the other file. We need to link it to this file, so just delete that old linkage, put equals, come to the My Calculations page. This is the first label. Press enter. This is the second label. Press enter. And this is this third label, which is the green department. Equals third label. Now I should make all these the same. I think it was font size 13, so it all looks a little bit similar. For some reason that only says 123. 23, okay. Okay, we linked it up to the wrong one. Equals the calculations page, E10. Okay, so there you go. That's the first one done. Gustav, you have 3 departments, blue, red and green. If I come over here and I change them, okay, the blue department, we lay off half the team. It's 100. We come back over here now. That's making up just a quarter of the total workforce. Let's quickly do the second one. The process is identical. This title is the configuration page, the blue department staff. Let's go to the calculations page, link up the yellow cells, put the titles across, so that's men, women, aliens, did I go in? No. Do it again, equals, configuration page, aliens, let's close this down so you can see. The values, there's 100 men, there are 100 women, there are 46 aliens. It's calculated the labels for us. Let's go back to over here. This is still linked to the old dashboard, the old spreadsheet. Let's link this to the new. Actually, not equals, just calculations page. Those are the new titles. Between the commas. Delete that to the values. Change these text boxes. The text box is going to be the first label. This text box is going to be the second label. This text box is going to be the third label. Let's quickly make these the same size as everything else. No, that's messing it up. Let's make these 3 boxes the same size. Okay. Well, there's your dashboard, Gustav. I hope that's been helpful. As you can see, aliens make up 22.8% of your workforce. I think we'll Get rid of the aliens. There we are. Aliens make up 0% of your workforce. You'll be happy to say. If you have any comments, if there's anything you didn't understand, please leave a reply in the on the forum. And anybody else who's watching this video, reply. If there's any of the points that need further clarification, please get back to us. I hope this has been helpful. It's Brian from Excel Dashboard Widgets. Have a nice evening.